Give me what I want and I'll go away.
From Stephen King, the master of your worst fears, comes a high-voltage, spine-tingling shocker that's been called one of the best King films ever.
You wouldn't think there was a big storm coming, would you?
Trouble don't cross the reach, ain't that why we live here?
Still, they say this one's gonna be something special.
A small island off the coast of Maine is bracing for the storm of the century.
Look at this. Now, if neither of
The emergency shelter setup can handle 300 for 3 days.
Look at there at the mainland. Can't even see the reach no more.
At the heart of the storm is a source of evil that will change their lives forever.
The National Weather Service now issues severe thunderstorm warning for all of the Tall Island, Eastern Time, February 14th, 1999 train weather. Spotter notice thunderstorm cloud near the East Coast thunder, roars, stand doors, severe hail, damaged roofs, stay away from windows. The National Weather Service now issues a thunderstorm warning for all of Little Tall Island, Eastern Time, February 14th, 1999 train weather. Spotter notice thunderstorm cloud near the East Coast. Thunder roars, stand indoors. Severe hail damage to roofs, stay away from windows. The National Weather Service now issues a thunderstorm warning for all of them. Little Tall Island, Eastern Time, February 14th, 1999 train weather. Spotter notice thunderstorm cloud near the East Coast. Lightning and thunder is nature's most dangerous killer's close. Enough to be struck by lightning.
Sin, come on in.
My God.
That's all right, Robbie. She's waiting for you in hell.
Who are you?
Give me what I want.
The National Weather Service now issues blizzard warning for all of them. Little Tall Island, 3:14 p.m. Eastern Time, February 14th, 1999. Stay indoors till the blizzard clears. The National Weather Service now issues a blizzard warning for all of them. Little Tall Island, 3:14 p.m. Eastern Time, February 14th, 1999. Stay indoors till the blizzard clears. The National Weather Service now issues a blizzard warning for all of them. Little Tall Island, 3:14 p.m. Eastern Time, February 14th, 1999. Stay indoors till the blizzard clears up soon.
And I'll go away. What's your name? Andre Lenoge.
He was looking at him like a snake looking at a bird.
What are you doing, sir? You mind telling me?
You have something to do with that?
Give me what I want and I'll go away. Refuse.
Police Department now issues a shelter in placement warning. The shelter will be open for 300 people for 3 days. It will stay open for 3 days so the blizzard clears. This is the emergency alert system sign out.
against me, and I assure you, I can punish.
We couldn't kill him.
I don't think he's human.
What could he possibly want? He's the devil! Don't let him near me.
What do you want, Lenose?
That's right. Come on, Ralphie.
Never.
I don't think we have a choice.
Discuss it, then choose.
Don't let him take my son!
Storm of the Century.